Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix JBL Tune Flex left earbud not working. If the left ear pod is silent, please perform a new pairing with the right port like shown in the quick start guide. Take them out of the charging case and click the center button on both the left and the right port 3 times. This forces a new pairing between the ports, and the left port should automatically pair with the right port from now on once you remove both ports from the charging case. If you still cannot get the left ear to play, please perform a factory reset by placing both ports in the charging case. While the charging case is charging, now press the button on the right port and hold it for more than 5 seconds. You have now reset the factory settings. Please note, if you have performed a factory reset, you will need to remove the headphones or forget this device from any smartphone or tablet they were once connected to. This will allow your device to now search for the newly restored headphones under BT devices. The right port is primary, which is connected to your source, usually a smartphone. The left port is secondary, which connect to the right port. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.